Scobie, did you see the first lip sync is going to be between oh my goodness, Casper and Boity.
Cabang. Can you imagine Casper and Boity? Why bathanda attention? Bahlukana ngithi bathe bahlukana and they begin tweeting and show ukuthi lento eka Casper ukuthi shotgun long here. Iqiniso vele ukuthi hayi untanga kaphiwa. Bathi untanga intambo yeperete iraisin. Bathi uyayipitchiza bangabe. Bathi untanga une pimple akana lutho. Bathi shebeleza. Akana nix. Bathi akuna nix. Unokudlala ukuthi vuka. I want to tweet. But you know, Boity be répété. Vuga. Hello. Alors tam shebeleza. Angithi yonke lempahla nithatha ile phondo. Ivinjwa ile phondo la emuva iphondo livalile inyama ikhona ikhula kahle. Zibanjwa iphondo. La tam shebeleza. Wa responda no baba.
Oh, pretty boy.
Vuga, pretty boy. But I raise in maybe shobanele nje lekulapha. But no Casper wabhala la wathi oh utshela abantu ukuthi mina raisin nami vele bengazi ngeholweni. Performa ku community hall. Thola ku MT ke akuna itulo. Ngime nami lo amshebele. Baz alende ngishila into engayibona into eniyibonile nonke ephepheni. Bathi untanga so. Yo cabanga makageza nomntwana lokumbheka mafana. These are good songs wena mvangeli ke. Classic songs. Hayi lento zenu zamanje. Nangiweza anyababona laba abolili weni benu. Bacula fast. Sibadala thina.
You hear nothing.
Yeah. Oh. I-message thini. Sithina abantwaneni.
Wait a minute.
You're
talking about these rappers. I see Mr. Selvin is now a pastor.
Qala Mr. Selvin umalumama. Siqale lapho ukuthi nje ngifuna lento ipersonal ke le. Uthi uSelvin, malume wami. Umama kaSelvin ilast bona khabo gogo wami. So mina no Selvin sihlobene kamampela.
Yeah.
Like ngima ngibona ngimbiza babo mncane. Angithi Mr. Selvin baba mncane. Uthi singasabukeli iphone futhi singasadlali ngathi. Angithi uthi singasadlali ngathi singasayikhululi thina ku wrong lokho kwenza umqondo uduke
uSalvi
angeke futhi ungene ezulwini ungena phezulwini wena waze lapho uthi izulu ungena abantu abangenzanga nix
khulume nomboro
ngale avaselini nabani laba ukuthi ngiyaza kulo baba aqala siqale ngoSelvin siqale ngalo wasekhaya athi singasabukeli ini hey lento right for impilo zethu yazi yenza ilife yakhe be exciting ngoba nokuyibukela iDazimeri namhlanje ngifuna ukuyenza so imiri ngeni mangane yini wena waba romantic utayi kanti une booster phela thina sasa asisa abantu beimbiza thina imbiza yethu yiyo le phone and uSelvin ungenapi you just download ayo wet lama data bundles asikasa mcela nix yena ukuthi Mr. Selvin akahlukana nathi yena mangabe sakamzalwane abazalwane banjalo bathanda mina basebaguqukile wonke umfana aguquke manje uAntwami uguqukile ufuna wonke umuntu athandaza hayi auntie no Antwami ungena oh glory hallelujah kuyaphakwa into ethabe uAntabe noma yini hallelujah karabashira sithu alfa kabish para baba idla bangithina uSelvin uyo osendisiwe uyo hlangana nenkosi yakhe babonana inkosi yakhe ungadlali ngalomsipha ungene ngapha uSelvin athi ngibatshele hey akahlukane nathi thina abanye frustrated hayi proper bushadile hayi futhi manje uwes unomntana omncane kunezinto ongazazithola endlini ngoba bathi linda ikhakhaya likaqini ikhakhaya likaqini manje ngenze njani ke but nayi Vaseline but is marinate.
No, man, no.
Ivar. Marinate na uyu wangu. Yazi unokhuluma uJojo emarinye mnandi yazi. Yazi warm. Angazi le media yenzana empilweni yami yazi. Awubheke ngi-right kanjani. Relieve yourself. Yawela ngoba lezi probably basikhalezi ekasi bekunomuntu obhandishiwe lezi serious. Uma uthenga isinkwa abagwazile. Lesikhathi i-ambulance ambulance asethembisa okokuqala ngathi iya rank. Because like iyagcwala uyibona i-ambulance ithembisile abantu abayi4 million nje. Sinama ambulance ayi2.
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, bamgwazile kuphi? Entameni lesi ayisandleni sizoza kunomuntu otetayo lenzansi ukongena ambulance ukongena
that's the traffic man
ukongena ambulance umuntu okwaziwe nawo lo uphukile uphethe drip yalokwazile zoba right ani esibhedlela sayolanda umunye Unsayolanda umunye ushisa umfazi ngamanzi hamba Joshua ngithi tshela kathi hlala nale ntombazana uMathilisi ufuna ukushisa ukuthi kubona unjani mawushile uma uyangena la ushile uyabona ukuthi ushile lokho bathi wangamvulela ikhiza dangeke uyosebenzayo ambulance ni 9 ku ambulance 9 i-trippy 1 udriver wena omunye uphuze hayi indaba okudala ukhohle ukuvala la emuva makajike Kevin aniwi ngathi trucker ewisa ama crate Kevin banthola lihleli phansi nilimele hey mele kufike enye ambulance mayifike le ambulance wani ngakhi yanithethisa ngathi yini wrong lo ufika esibhedlela uthi yaqhwela la emuva uphethe ibhabha la mabavula kunamuntu akunamphethe selele one esimumu hlele yalaba bimuma bakho
no. The last time we went on a nice trip, somebody's at la border, I couldn't go.
Yeah.
So don't nobody die on me this weekend.
And maka border imedia isanadladla manje.
Boss, kiminze. And if anyone that I hope my family is listening. Anybody dies, I'm going to France. I can't, eh?
Awuna visa. Ngibabuza imbuzo ebhaya now. Amne visa abanandaba now. So lama headphones uthi uya DJ ya. Hamba nama CD or nama record. Lani babuza imbuzo ebhaya jo. On a serious note, bro, I've been doing shows yabo and one-man shows everywhere in the country. So I decided when I pause that in June I want to make one show and they call it comedy for wheelchairs. So whatever money I'm gonna raise there, I'm gonna buy people my wheelchair.
Nice.
I'm talking about wheelchair lawa. Like I need those ones. And I'm a bit.
Okay.
Some people don't have those. So I'm gonna do the show in Melrose. I've already spoken to the Colliards and Colliards.
Nice.
So very nice. So whatever money, so tickets will be sold at the door because I want to take the money from that and buy these things tomorrow.
All right.
So yeah,
Tempisa pace, Baba.
Yeah, and if it means we need to buy 17 wheelchairs, we'll do that.
We'll do that.
Whatever money that we're gonna raise on that night, we're buying one wheelchair. We'll do that.
All right.
So that's what I'm gonna announce.
But have you checked how much they are?
Yeah, I had to far. First of all, I need to identify who needs it more than the next person, and check my price in the general. So as the time goes on, I'll do all my details. Bese ngibuya la ngazi ukuthi sifuna ama wheelchair engakhe or mhlambe kunabantu abayi4. Then ticket price won't be 150. Will be anything between 200 and 250 because
Fantastic.
this money is not going to my pockets. I'm gonna buy wheelchairs for people, and I want Johnny Walker to sponsor this thing.
So
Just J. And they say keep on walking, but on a wheelchair. Serious, I'm serious. I've written them a letter.
okay.
I'm serious. I'm buying wheelchairs for people. Sure.
Okay, mina no pops sizokaza.
Okay.
Ne?
All right.
Sizokaza maybe sibambe one.
All right.
Just together. Yabona? Mina no pops sizokaza.
But
Mara
yeah.
ngicela ume ngalawa abantu ipraza ngizoringa nabo ngamara.
Okay, renga na bezayidini ukuthi basiguy something. Mara ba sponsor right there. Khona ba sponsor right there. Khona ngibela leyo charge as much as it jokes. So yeah, it's going to happen in June. We're going to look at the date. All my comedians are there. I've got confirmed Mashabela,
Nice.
Pops,
All right.
all the Goliath brothers. David Cow will be there. I'm going to have every comedian. If it means we're going to have 20 comedians on the night
Then
doing
so
5
be it.
minutes, we're going to do that.
And you got to pay for that 25.
Here's another thing that I'm going to announce without his permission. Not that I need it. But this year we're also working on an EP.
Nice.
For my man.
So,
Scrums.
in closing, because we've run out of time,
Yes.
it's you and me, NetBank.
Nedbank Cup, Sundowns and the Pirates. Obvious Pirates will win. Sundowns are going to win. Like, abantu Pirates, abaleta matches yesterday, to shine lavandu.
All right.
See me right.
Okay,
And
all right.
Yeah, and to those that are coming to State Theatre tonight, thank you very much. My shows is always sold out. Yeah, my shows are sold out. Thank you very much to those that are coming tonight. We're gonna have a good time, and my first joke will be on WHP committing suicide. They'll leave it there.
Just a reminder, with what? So you do know you are going to hell. I mean, you are going to fry in
He
hell.
was on the paper saying last year he wanted to commit suicide not once but 3 times. But we know which why vela inza o qala ngakalinga esilingi nangakaloa mina. Have a tweet.